To reduce the amount of data on your task activity page, EnCase Endpoint Security lets you archive jobs that have failed and cancel jobs that are pending. Each of these actions updates the status of the task. You can filter the display to show only those items that match the status or statuses you select. Let's take a look at how this works. Here is a sample task activity page. You can see that there are a number of pending jobs and one in progress. To make it easy to select all pending jobs, we'll set up a filter so that only pending jobs are displayed. We click the filter icon, deselect all statuses but pending, and then click OK. We then click the box in the header to select all. Notice that all pending jobs but one have been selected. That pending job has already begun to run, so it could not be canceled. Clicking the menu button displays a list of actions that can be performed. We'll pick Cancel Pending Jobs. We click OK to confirm. All pending jobs that have not yet run have been canceled. Now we'll archive some failed jobs. Let's set the filter so that we see only failed jobs. Of the many failed jobs in our system, we'll archive 4 of them. We click the menu button, then select Archive Failed Jobs, and confirm our selection. And the jobs we selected have been archived. And that's how you cancel pending jobs and archive failed jobs with EnCase Endpoint Security. For more tips on using EnCase Endpoint Security, check out our related videos.